Hey guys, so today, I don't even know if this is recording, I think it is. Anyways, today we're going to try a new style of video. Not sure how it's going to turn out. I guess it's going to be more of a vlog style. But I have to go and pull out the sending unit out of this Miata for my buddy Braden. And so we can go and fix his car for this drift event. So we can both go do Miata stuff at this drift event because it's the cheapest solution. Because I'm poor. You got the drill, bud?
Yeah.
Sick. Alright, so let's go take a look at this Miata, shall we? It was actually given to me by Braden. He was like, yeah, I just need parts. And then, let me grab the parts I want, and you can have this shell. And I was like, heck yeah, I like Miatas with titles. So, here it is. Look at that. Oh yeah. Need to find some ophers for this thing right here. And then need a door. If anyone has a door, hit me up. Need some fenders. Need a hood. And so I need both fenders. I need a hood. I need a trunk lid because that trunk lid goes. And then, so the plan for this car is I'm going to put I have an aluminum block LS out of a 07 Tahoe and a Saginaw transmission. So 4-speed manual transmission. And I'm going to put that in this, and then this is going to be my Miata drift car. And so definitely going to need lots of parts. But today we're not worried about that. Today we're just pulling out. We're going to get the sending unit out of here for him. And then, what are you doing? Say hi.
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 Hi. And then we're gonna go and head over to Braden's. So let's get to it. Alright, so I'm gonna start pulling out these screws. Too good for your home? Alright. Maybe we need a wider lens for this camera.
Yeah.
You want to see? You can see, bud. Alright, and I assume we're pulling this bad boy out right here. So we're going to unplug it. And then we'll need a pair of pliers for this, but we'll get to that when we get to it. Come on. You can do it. Oh yeah. Grab all these screws.
Can you hold it?
You're gonna hold it?
Yeah.
Alright, keep holding it right there. And then, I believe that is all of the screws. Keep holding it, bud.
Here.
Oh, one more screw. Almost breaking stuff, but we didn't. We're good. So, alright, so should I just put a bigger fuel pump in the stock tank in this thing to run the LS? Or do you think I should put a fuel cell in it? Because honestly, I feel like just putting a bigger fuel pump in it, having all my gauges work on it, well, at least my fuel gauge on it work, and then just drop it in directly into the tank, have a working LS, like enough fuel pressure to run the LS. I think that's the way to go, but we'll go and we'll see when we get to that point. Having my son hold the camera for me. So we'll see how that comes out. Oh, bud, back up. Looks like they're running a stock-looking fuel pump. Cody, back up. I need to get out, bud. You're in the way. You were so majestic in front of your truck. Do you like your truck? Your truck, your orange truck right there. Do you like your orange truck?
Yeah.
I actually ended up getting this truck from Braden. Pretty cool. But ended up going and getting that from Braden for working on his 4Runner for him. Cody, grab the drill and the tripod. Please. The tripod right here, this thing. Alright, so we also have to go and pull off this motor for Braden. He needs this motor, and he needs to go and have a linkage for it, I think for both sides. So we're going to go and pull these off. It's 310 mils, I believe. And then it looks like the linkage, we should just be able to pop off. Oh, it's upside on. That's funny. Yeah, we'll go and get this off for him, and then we'll go and get the other side's linkage, and I'll figure out headlights whenever I go to do it. I think I'm just gonna do the oh, perfect, look at that. I think I'm just gonna do squares and have them partially up, just fixed, because that's how I like them. Let's see. Perfect. That is one assembly out. Bellissimo. There we go, and then we're going to work on the other side now. Perfect. Good to go. Alright, this is going to be our ride for the day to go over to Braden's. So I'll go and warm this thing up here in a little bit and we'll get going. So it do be running. It doesn't like to idle, so it'll be probably kind of difficult to get some videos of it, like sitting at lights and stuff, but it runs. What? That's because somebody has my GoPro.
It's in.
Who has my GoPro? Braden?
Your mom.
Braden, who has my GoPro?
Your mom. Oh, he's in it. I was looking for a screwdriver.
I brought one with me.
I need to find my little tiny thing.
Little tiny thing.
Not tiny.
Oh, dang it. Here, take that. Oh, shee. It's right there. Perfect. Nope. Somebody's seatbelt is in the dang way.
You said you got one that it's like this? Like a little LED strip?
Yeah.
Ooh, I need that.
You're gonna have that.
Where's it at?
It's at my house.
You know where it's at?
Yeah, I know exactly where it's sitting.
I need to steal that.
Boing. Boing. Which part?
Look at my fuel pump, it's all crooked.
Can't see anything inside. What have you done?
We need to go get a new fuel filter.
You need to go get more fuel too.
Do I?
I don't know.
That's more than a quarter of a tank.
Is it? Oh yeah, it totally is.
Look.
Look at that. Oh.
You think that's the issue?
That's all kinked and sideways looking?
Yeah.
Looks like my weenie. I don't know why it
We need to
does that.
shorten that a little bit,
Okay.
I think. Or slide it up a little bit, but see what I mean, how we cut that like that?
Mm-hmm.
Then we need to go get one of these. That's probably the issue.
You think so? Hell yeah. If anyone was wondering, we got this ending unit in from the other Miata.
Yeah, see if it'll cut out.
Oh yeah. Yes. Funny. Man, that side of the window is so dirty. This side's so clean. That side's so
The
dirty.
thing needs a new window. That's why I got another window, but now the thing has it. It's okay. I bet it'd give me 80 bucks for it.
Oh yeah. Look at that thing. It runs like shit, but it looks good. Alright, so I'm back from Braden's house now. We ended up going and replacing the whole sending unit and everything. We found out that the problem before with this old pump was he bought a brand new pump and ended up going and being bad. So we replaced the whole sending unit with the other pump on it. And I think the pump that we pulled out of it was like a Walbro 255. So that's good. It's working good with this turbo Miata. It's not running lean anymore. So that's good for the for his car. It's ready to go to the drift event. In the next day or two, I got to go and pull the old Miata in here and put it on the either put it on the lift or just jack it up and change the rear control arms on it. And then I'll be changing the front knuckles and putting extended brake lines on it as well. So we shall see how that goes, and then that car will be ready to go to the drift event as well. And this thing right here, this little guy, is my 67 Impala Supernatural build that I'm working on, that I want to go and I want to make a replica car, but I want to get it running first. So it's pretty cool. It definitely needs a lot of work. Ended up putting some long tube headers on it. Oh, I put a motor in it and then put some long tube headers on it. Hold on, let me turn the sun on really quick. Bam! Alright. So I put a motor in it and then put some long tube headers on it, and then made a exhaust for it. And they're just tack welded on right now. They're not gonna stay like that. I just want to hear it. So, but it has a cam in it, intake, carburetor, like aftermarket carburetor, aftermarket performer, Edelbrock performer intake, HEI distributor, you know, just the simple things. So hopefully it does burnouts. That's all I really wanted to do, is do burnouts and drive around. So we'll see. Just gotta put the new timing chain on it and it should be good to go. But that's for a different time. All right, well, I'll see you guys next time.